So what is price action? Price action, guys, is going to be the language of the market. It's going to be the confirmations, structure, the way the market moves. It's basically going to be the action of price, guys. Self-explanatory, very basic. Price is trending up, making higher highs, higher lows. That's going to be price action. Price breaking structures and creating new structures is also price action. Price coming back into our supply or demand, it's also going to be price action. And when we drop into the lower time frames for our confirmation entries, that is also going to be price action. As you can see here, price failed to make a new high. That's going to be price action. Price creating a new low and breaking structural lows is also going to be price action. So very basic, very self-explanatory. It's just basically the language of price.